I'm gonna do an update video to my Summit Goliath. A couple of things I did in that previous video that were wrong. Gotta correct that. I finished how I got my straps set up, my stabilizer straps, so I'm gonna show you that. I made a video last week for my Summit Goliath tree stand, and I really liked the way those stabilizer straps work, but I didn't like the way I had them set up, so I took my straps down to the seamstress and I had her take, and first of all I had her double the material, loop it back, sew it down on itself.
So you loop the strap over and you sew it down so you double the thickness of the strap, and then you sew that doubled strap onto itself to create the loop. You've doubled the strength of the strap, and at the point where you sew it, it's 4 times the strength.
And I'm just going to be able to put that around the frame and secure it. So that's those two, and then I did the same with the long straps. Now, sometime in the next week I'm going to get back out. I'm going to put these on the stand, give another test there, see how I like these. I know they're going to be better. That's what I did with them. The funny thing, one thing I should correct, I said in my previous video these were good for 1,000 pounds. That's 1,000 pounds for the pair of them. What was the other thing I was claiming? Oh yeah, you can buy the stabilizer straps for about half the price of what I probably paid for these once I get done buying these straps and then having them sewed by the seamstress. Taking the new straps and just putting them on here. But I gotta move this pipe foam back out of the way. Should have had these straps maybe made 8 inches longer. I already got the bottom or the other side on, and once I get them in place actually, and then put that pipe foam back down, and that's going to secure them right here too, so they're going to go anywhere.
Yeah, I taped all 4 of the straps in place, and in that way they're not going to go anywhere. They don't make any noise when they're taped in position like that. Much more secure, much simpler.
Alright. That'll do for the top. The only thing I gotta do with these.
So put your loop in place, bring the strap back through the loop, pull it nice and snug, make sure you got it exactly the position you want, and then what I do is I tape it there then with black hockey tape, because it's non-reflective, and it's, it's very Canadian.
That's that.
But just FYI, on this particular day, I did not have enough black hockey tape left to finish taping these straps in place.
I guess I'll tape them another day. Hey, you crazy cat. Alright. Well, there you go. I got the long straps. I just gathered them together and tied them off for now. My 3 extra straps, put one on each side, one on the top. That locks the 2 together so it's really quiet for when I'm going to backpack it. And I've got to point this out because when I get out, try to stand again, I'll show this out on a tree and it'll make more sense. But so I was going on about how you don't need you need 2 tethers. Well, it makes a difference if you put the tether in the right place, which I did.
You see how I put the strap on the outside of the stand? That's a mistake. It must be in the center of the stand. If the stand falls when it's centered, then it will hold the stand level.
The tether is supposed to be in the center of the stand. That way, you know, if the bottom part falls, you're in the center, and then hopefully your stand does end up sitting level on the tree when you're going to try to defend it. But that's another one of those things. Jeez, I gotta work again tonight. Can't wait till I'm finished working for a living now. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this away for now, and like I say, in about when I get on days off again, finally take this bad boy out, put it on the tree.
Well, I hope you found that at least a little bit interesting, and thanks a lot for watching.